Hi friends, I am MMS MUMTAZ and you are watching my channel MMS MUMTAZ Technical. In this session, we learn how to add theme in your website. So just log in your website and you can check here dashboard, post, custom slides, media, pages, comments, and then you can check here is appearance. Just click on appearance and drop down its theme. Next, click on theme. Okay, when you will click on theme, then you get a new option and here is add new theme. Click on add new theme, and there are two main themes, and 2023 is activated install on my website, and I can activate but I will not. This is Elementor, and very fast you can check which theme is more attractive for you, which one to select for your website. So if you select this one, only click on this install. When you will click on install, it will be installed and then you can activate it. Okay, yeah, I just activate and install this Sahifa theme, and I'll show you how this looks like. And just go on your website and click on visit site, open link a new tab, and I can check preview. Okay, this is Sahifa theme. Here is my name, MMS MUMTAZ, dashboards, new, edit page, insights, SEO, and all posts will show here, breaking news, and fashion, photography. Find us on Facebook. There are social media pages, social media link icon attached here, and there are too many settings. Okay, in this session we learn how to activate your theme on website. If you are new on my channel, kindly subscribe and like, comment and share. Thanks. Bye bye.